Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove contact from a Google Chat. All you have to do now is open your Google Chat and now try to search. You cannot remove one person. You can hide or just delete conversation, but you can remove completely contact when you are chat in the group. For example, this one, a random group chat. You can tap on group name and tap on manage members. Here you can remove completely by remove from space. And also, if you want to remove a one person, you can tap that person, tap the person name, and just delete conversation here. Feel free to try. I thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.